Welcome to the dotnet Word Library tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to convert a Word document to a text file using the Syncfusion .NET Word Library. This includes converting text files into Word documents and extracting plain text from existing Word files. I will begin by opening an existing ASP.NET Core application, where I've already installed the Syncfusion Doc.io package. If you want to learn how to get started with the Syncfusion Word Library, check out the video link in the card or description. Now, let me show you how to convert a Word document to a text file by clicking this button. I am going to convert this document. I open the index.cs HTML file, remove the existing code, and add a button for conversion. To define its event handler, I navigate to the Home Controller class and import the necessary namespaces for this example. Next, define an action method with the return type actionResult. Within this method, I create a file stream instance to retrieve the existing Word document using the appropriate file access options. Then, create a Word document instance, passing the file stream to it and setting the format type to docx. Next, I create a memory stream and save the document to this stream, specifying the format type as text. After that, close the document to release resources and return the file by specifying the stream, content type, and file name. Then, save and run the application. When I click the button, the file will be downloaded. As you can see, the document is converted into a text file. Now, I'll show you how to convert this text file into a Word document. First, I add a button and define its corresponding action method with a return type, actionResult. I reuse the previous method code with a few changes, update the file path, and set the format type to text in the Word document instance. I set the format type to docx in the save method, so the output is written as a Word document. Next, update the content type and output file name. When I click the button, the file will be downloaded. On opening it, you'll see that the text file has been converted into a Word document. Finally, I will show you how to extract text from this Word document. I start by adding a button to extract the text and define its corresponding action method with a return type, actionResult. Within this method, create a file stream instance to retrieve the existing Word document using the appropriate file access options. Then, create a Word document instance, passing the file stream to it and setting the format type to docx. Next, I retrieve the text from the document using the getText method. To add this extracted text to a new Word document, create another Word document instance. Add a section to it using the addSection method, and then add a paragraph to that section. I append the extracted text to the paragraph using the appendText method. Next, create a memory stream and save the document to that stream. Lastly, close the document to release resources and return the file by specifying the stream, content type, and file name. When I click the button, the file will be downloaded. Looking here, the extracted text is added to the new document. That's a wrap. In this video, I've shown you how to convert a Word document to a text file using the Syncfusion .NET Word Library. You can download a working example from the GitHub link in the description. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our document SDK through our community license. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.